You are listening English Skills with Faith Spoken English Broadcast, how to become a good English learner. As you may already know, English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Being proficient in it can open up many doors for you, from traveling comfortably to job opportunities. In this video, I will be sharing some tips and tricks that will help you become a good English learner. Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into how to become a good English learner, let's talk about why it's so important to learn English and why it's worth the struggle. Learning English can improve your job prospects, allow you to communicate with people from all over the world, not to mention, it will give you an immense sense of confidence and achievement. A globe spinning with different languages being spoken while the word English stands out. Reading is one of the most effective ways to learn new words, grammar, and sentence structure. Creating a daily reading habit can help you build a massive arsenal of vocabulary. Start with books that are easy to read, children's books, or grade school level English books, and gradually make your way up to more advanced books. You can also read articles on topics that interest you to keep things fun and engaging. Listening plays an important role in learning English. You can listen to podcasts, audiobooks, music, and news broadcasts in English to improve your listening skills. This exposure to English will help you build your speaking and grammar skills. Focus on the things people are saying and try to take note of words you don't understand and look them up in a dictionary later. A person with headphones on listening to music, a radio set, or a podcast with a notepad beside to take notes. For many learners, speaking is the hardest part of learning a new language. However, it's essential to practice speaking if you want to achieve fluency. Joining language clubs or talking with a language partner can help you learn how to communicate more naturally and effectively. Don't worry about making mistakes. Embrace them. They're a natural part of the learning process. A person holding a phone or computer and talking to someone or using a mirror to practice pronunciation. One great way to learn a new language is by immersing yourself in it. You won't have to travel. Start by changing the language on your phone, computer, and social media to English. You can also watch English language movies and TV shows, listen to English music, and try to think in English as much as possible. Immersing yourself in English will help you think in English and improve your language skills much faster. Thank you for watching. For more video, please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to click bell icon.